everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix file is too large for the destination file system. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error while copying any data to your pen drive and you are seeing the error file is too large for destination file system and you are unable to copy this data to your pen drive, then I will show you how to fix this issue. You can see when I am trying to copy this to my pen drive, so I am seeing this type of error. So if you are also facing this type of error, then what you have to do, just close this window and take whatever backup is in your pen drive. If there is any data, just backup your data, then go back, go to this PC, and here you will find pen drive. Right click on that, then click on format. Here you can see file system. You need to select as NTFS, then click on format, click on start, then click OK, then click on yes. Sometime it will ask for yes. If it is asked, then click on yes. After completion of this, then click OK, then close this window. Now we will try to copy again that data to my pen drive. Just right click on that, copy, come to this pen drive, then paste it. You can see the process has been started. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix file is too large for destination file system. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.